Hey, what's up? It's Vinny 10 from Vinny 10 Racing. That's a little better. Anyway, it's Wednesday. It's Christmas Eve. We're in the shop. My Christmas present just came in because, as you know, the Wednesday videos are all about the GTR, and you guys are helping me build this GTR. You know, not helping me, but watching me build it, and hopefully learn something from it and just be part of the whole momentum of what we're doing, which is really cool because we're going to take it from this bare block into a race car. And let's speak about that. Okay, so two things. First thing, bearing clearance is set. That's like my Christmas present. Again, from the last video, I spoke to everybody, T1, Magnus, MGP. Those are really like the three players that are out there on this deal, and came up with a number. And I was too fat on one of the numbers. The rod numbers were perfect, but I was a little too much clearance, which was fine. I don't think anything would have happened. It was only about 8/10 bigger than I wanted. But then this morning I came in, took care of that, and now I am perfect. And the reason why it's so important, why am I spending so much time on this, so to speak, or why am I so anal about this right now, is because right now I'm not going to get another shot at looking at that clearance or that bearing or that rod. The next time I look at this, it'll be when I tear it down, or if it blows up, right? So I'm not going to get a chance to look at this, and I'm hoping, obviously, we don't blow it up. I'd rather just tear it down. So when I do tear it down and I go back to my notes and I look at my bearing clearances, I'll either know that they're working or not working. And obviously, if I seize a rod or if I seize a main or a spit of bearing, then obviously I'll know something isn't working. But I'll have what I know to be the best shot at the clearances that I wanted. So that's why the first time I put something together, something like this, not the first time I built 100 GTRs engines, but not a 25, 28, 3,000 horsepower motor. So I really, 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 really am very, very anal about when I build something like this for the first time, where I want it to be. And so I'm right where I want to be. I don't mind that it took me an extra few weeks because I know it's done right now and I have a template to go forward. Speaking of going forward, okay, car's ready. Car's about, as a roller, as all the work being done, I think I'm about at 85%. They are literally waiting for me to finish this motor so I can go down there and put it in. After a couple of discussions, both with my family, the people down there, people like Shane, people like Eric Lazinski, people like Mark Palladino. These are the people that are really, Magnus. These are the people that are vicariously on my team and helping me out. January 28th, that's when I got to be in Florida. That's the hard date right there. I got to either be in Florida or on my way down to Florida with a full power plant. Now, I'm sure everybody's like, wow, man, Vinny, you got the remainder of, a few more days left in December, and then you got 28 days in January. That's a no-brainer. Not exactly. And the reason why not exactly is because customers will always come first. So this is something that I only get anywhere from 2 to 3 hours to work on. Obviously, I'll be dedicating every Saturday and every Sunday to it, but basically it's 3 hours a day. Maybe if I get a lull in production and stuff, which sucks because, as you know, from just watching the regular videos, we've had a lot of things at the machine shop. So what's going to happen, and I know it's going to happen, all the shit from the machine shops is going to come back at the same time that I got to, be on top of this thing. And it sucks. It's going to suck because I'll have 2 blocks back, I'll have 4 sets of heads back, and it's going to be a ton of work here, which is what I want in January. But at the same time, I got to finish this. So unfortunately, with December, everything was out at the machine shop. I didn't think I was going to have this hard date, but now everything's going to come back from the machine shop. I'm going to have to stay on top of that, and at the same time, you and I, we got to get this thing done so that we could be on the road and on the way down to Florida on January 28th, which is actually a very special day in my calendar. But as we get closer, we'll talk about that. But anyway, so stay tuned, keep liking, subscribing, sharing. This is cool. This is going to wind up in a pro import car 35, 45 days from now. We're going to fire it up. You guys are going to be part of this experience, this 5-second experience that we're trying to do. I've gone 6s. I've gone 660 at 216 in a Nissan. I was the first guy ever to go 6 seconds in a Nissan, first person to break the 200 mile an hour barrier. But you know, we're looking to go 5s, and we're looking to go 250 plus. So that's a different world. I'm excited, a little nervous, but definitely excited. And you know, it's going to happen. So, you know, 35, 40 days, we're going to keep moving forward. This will be, I have no choice. This is going to have to be done. I'll be beside myself if I don't get it done. So, good day today. Got the bearing clearances. Come Monday, we are definitely fitting the connecting rods and piston in here. We're going to turn it. Obviously, it's a big, big rod. I didn't bother to ask them if this has to be cut, not the rod, but the bottom of the cylinder has to be cut in order to clearance the rod. I have seen rods where I have to do that on engines. I don't know if I have to do that on these. You know, I ask a certain amount of questions, but I can't, you know, out of respect for everyone, I can't ask for them for their recipe. They worked really hard for their recipe, you know what I mean? So, you know, this particular one thing, I kind of bought the parts off of T1, so I feel like they should give me a little help. Obviously, we're working together big time. You know, they definitely give me a lot of support, especially with the parts and stuff. You know, I buy everything, but, you know, they definitely do the right thing above and beyond. So, you know, but at the same time, I don't want to ask too many questions. But this is a really important question, especially working with the first time on this type of main bed that Magnus did, and also working first time with the new aluminum connecting rod. You know what? I'd rather, you know, suck down my pride a little bit, ask a question, get an idea of a range of where it's safe, get it done, which we've now done. But, you know, I'm not going to ask every question that's out there. I mean, you know, they have a business to run, and, you know, they sell engines, and so, you know, we don't want to trample on their business whatsoever. Not that I think I could, but you know what I'm saying. So anyway, we got work coming in. I know that for a fact. It's got to get done. Now we got a hard date, so it's got to get done. So just like I said, and oh, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for all the support that we're getting. I mean, it's just incredible. You know, 6 months ago, I never thought we would have 6 million views, but here we are, 6 million views later. I mean, it's just something I never, ever expected. You know, we got 20,000, 21, 22,000, 24,000, 24,000, you know, subscribers, right? Is that what they are? Followers, okay. And man, I don't even want to call you followers. I want to call you friends. It's like, I forget about that following stuff. You don't follow me. That's not what you do. We're friends, man. And the reason why we're friends is because we love the same thing. We're car guys. We love car guy shit. We love talking some shit too. And, you know, we love going fast, and we love building stuff. So I really appreciate it. Would never consider you followers. I would always consider you friends. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your Hanukkah if you had it. Enjoy your Eid if you celebrate that. Happy New Year. Be safe. Never drink and drive. And don't forget, friends don't let friends drive. Stock. Bang.